Hi, today we will learn how to use shapes field in Tableau. So for that I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. For using the shapes field, first we have to create a scatter plot chart. So first for that I'll take the sales measure and drop it onto the column shell, and then I'll take the profit and I'll drop it onto the row shell. So now as you can see our scatter plot chart has been ready. So I'll just make it as an entire view. So now I will show the scatter plot chart according to the subcategory. So for that, as you can see on our marks card, so here is one different field came up, which is shapes. So I'll just drag this subcategory and I'll drop it onto the shelf. I'll select all of the member. So now we can see the each subcategory showing a different shape. So here on the right side on our subcategory card, we can see the shape of each subcategory. Accessory showing the circle, appliance is square, and so on. So for changing the shape of each subcategory, we just have to click on here on the shapes field. So for changing the shape, you just have to click on the subcategory, and if you want to change, so here we can see the accessory showing the circle. If you want to change it to a cross, you just have to click on here, and after that you can just click on apply. So now as you can see here on the right side, our accessory shape has been changed from circle to cross. And for changing it to different kind of shapes, you just have to click on here on the drop down. After clicking on drop down, here are different types of shapes. So here's one is filled. So you can so for applying these shapes, you just click here, assign plate. Okay. So after I click on apply, so as we can see, our shapes has been changed. Uh, so now we can see it is now all the shapes has been filled with the all the shapes that we have selected. So there are another shapes which is, so here we can see the arrow. So you can just click on assign plate and then click on apply. Okay, so here you can see now the shape of each subcategory has been changed, and if you want to make it a little more bigger, you can just simply increase the size of your shapes. And there are some more shapes. So here is bug tracking. Click on assign plate. Okay, apply. So so here is a case. So as you can see here, the accessories and the binders, coppers, and the all some of the subcategories showing the same kind of shape. Only because of these bug tracking shapes only have three different kind of shapes, which is a bug, one is a bulb, and a message. So for dealing these types of shapes, you just simply change it to by doing it manually. For that you just have to, for example, you clicked on the proportions. So for so as you can see here, some subcategory having the same shapes. So for that you just have to click here and select any other shape, and here you just select a different shape, and select any option. For let's say field option, select the subcategory which is having the same shape, and then select the shape. So here we can change the shape, which is very easy in Tableau. So this is how we can use shapes function, shapes field in Tableau. Thank you.